what it do, man? It's like a little impromptu video while I was in the mixer getting ready to clean my guns after a good little range day. It just reminded me that I wanted to show y'all, because if y'all look, hold on, make sure the weapon is clear. All right. So as you can see, on my Smith & Wesson M&P, this is the Performance Center model with the ported barrel. I have a polished barrel, so it tends to get that burning, corrosive, residue by the ports, by the nostrils. You see that? I like to call them nostrils, but by the ports, just from the fire coming out the barrel and stuff like that. So this will not be easily cleaned off by just using your oil and stuff. It'll get to a point where you got to kind of repolish it, get it back nice and shiny. And so I just wanted to show y'all quick fast. I'm getting ready to bust this thing down, how to clean that off, man, and get this thing looking like brand new, man, looking like it's never been shot before. All right, so let's jump into it, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how that's done. All right, this is the stuff I like to clean my guns with, man. This stuff isn't too thick and it isn't too thin either. You know what I mean? It's perfect. I actually got this from Hickok 45, man. He OG in the 2A community. So, when he recommended this, I ain't hesitate to buy it. And, it's been the best decision I ever made as far as a cleaning oil. You know what I mean? So, yeah, shout out to Hickok, man, on this one. This is what we rolling with. Get this off Amazon, too. All right, so go ahead and get you a dirty shirt, man. Get you a super dirty shirt that you ain't tripping about. I also have me a Remington little cleaning pouch, man. You get this from Walmart, Amazon, wherever. And I got my little, cleaning essentials and stuff, my little barrel cleaners and things like that. I like to run with that nylon bristle barrel brush. You got a plastic barrel rod as well too, because I don't like to mess up the spiraling of the barrel. So I like to keep my guns accurate and functioning properly, man, especially when you're dealing with the inside of that barrel, man. Inside of the barrel and the firing pin, man, you don't want to compromise. So, we're gonna get up in there, let me see. Oh yeah, I wish y'all could see in there, fresh fan, man. There's so much debris up in there. Can y'all see? Can y'all see the little boogers? I like to call them boogers, man. Y'all see all them boogers in there? We're gonna make one more pass through there. Can't just shoot the guns, man. You gotta take care of them. Now that we got the debris out the inside of the barrel, I don't like to oil the barrel down to get that gunk off until I got that debris out the barrel. That's just my preference. I like to get the debris out first and then spray the barrel down, because I don't want the debris. I like to get it out while it's loose and dry, then to moisten it up with this oil right here, and then it's sticking to the side of the barrel, man. I don't like that, you know what I'm saying? To show y'all, what we're gonna do is the thin layer of all of that, burnt powder and stuff like that, the thin layer we're gonna get off using the oil. All right, so what I do is just spray a light coat, bow, that's it, let that sit, that's it. You saw that? All right, so once the oil is starting to rub off to the side, we're gonna just start giving it some twisty wipes, man. All right, to see what comes off, see what the damage is, you know what I mean? I'm about to show y'all some magical stuff, fresh man. And I gotta make sure the whole entire barrel is clean. You gotta make sure that the area that you're gonna be treating to repolish is clean, man. All right, we're gonna clean that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. All right. See how that's nice and see how that lip is nice and shiny again? Oh yeah. And the reason why I like doing this too, man, is it keeps the gun oil, keeps the metal oil oiled up, man. So, it's floating real nice when it's in the slide, man, and it's in action. Y'all ready for the magic? Give y'all this game real quick, man. Give y'all this game real quick. I never say I ain't give y'all nothing. Bow! Here's the secret formula to the Krabby Patty, man. Man, I live by this stuff right here, man. This is the Mother's Mag and aluminum polish, man, all right? Look what it say. Shines and protects. That's what you want. Shines and protects. What you want to do with your dirty t-shirt, these little black spots came from this mag solution. That's how I did my Kimber. If y'all seen that short where I showed my Kimber, man, after a polish. This is what I use, all right? This Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. You don't really need a lot. I overdid it, but that's because I'm gonna hit the whole barrel. So it's gonna start to turn black as you're rubbing, and that's a good thing. That means that it's doing what it needs to do. Once it turns all the way black, we're gonna wipe it down with a microfiber rag. That's gonna be kind of the buffering tool, the cleaning and buffering tool. And we're gonna see where we at. We might need to repeat this step right here, maybe several times. All right, that's off one pass. Look, y'all, that's off one pass. Well, we'll say one treatment. Let's call it one treatment. One treatment, y'all, all right? And get that microfiber cloth, move that over. That microfiber cloth. We go ahead and wipe that whole barrel down like so. We're gonna apply firm pressure too. All right, just like that. See, because what the microfiber cloth does is bring the shine. That's the buffer. That's the buffing of it. Check that out. Look, fresh fan. Off one pass. Remember what it looked like before? Look at that. Look at that. Got a little bit down here too. Don't let me forget y'all. Gotta get that. All right, look, we already bouncing back, man. Told you. All right, fresh family. So I made 2 more passes after that first initial one when I paused y'all. And as you can see, it's like it ain't ever happened. Y'all seen how deep it was, you know, kind of corroded on there, kind of just heated on there from firing the gun and the high temps that come with that. Went ahead and hit the whole barrel, even the hood as well too. Fingerprints all over it though. That's just fingerprints, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all can see my fingerprint right there. But that's how mirroring this is, that you can pick up my fingerprints on this thing. And as you can see, it looks absolutely brand new. And I want to show y'all something. Real quick, right? For those of y'all who didn't catch that short, I went ahead and did my Kimber too, using the same thing. Mother's microfiber cloth, t-shirt, 7 hours. You know, I watch a movie, put some elbow grease and just rubbing back and forth on that slide. It started off that matte satin gray, as you can see the bottom on the frame, on the bottom. And you can also see it on the top too. You see on the top, how it's got that satin matte gray finish at the top. I did the barrel and I did the side of the slides. And look how it's got that mirroring finish, just tying in that Kimber. Those grips and everything, man. It just flows real nice now. Real cartel member type, you know what I mean? Looks amazing, came out crazy. That's the finished product, man. So you see the barrel and the Kimber, man. Come on, man, that Mother's is nothing to play around with, man. That Mother's is the truth, man. And it literally takes no tools, no buffing, no drills or nothing like that, man. Just some elbow grease. All right, y'all. Ciao.